Hello, welcome to Faithful Media Tech. Today we are going to look at left, mid, and right function in Excel. How to use it to extract a string fixed text from one point to another. So without wasting any much time, in our Excel here, in this column A, from row 5 to 6 to 9, we have some rep ID code here. Then we have sales rep ID, region, and then sales group. What you want to do now, we want to extract each of these character here into this individual cell. So before I go on now, I need to explain to you that when you are dealing with left, mid, and right function, you want to extract either of them, either left or mid or right. Remember, one thing is very important. The characters you're extracting, if you're extracting from about 5 to 6 strings text like that, like this one, they must be the same character set. That is to say, the character must be equal. For example, this very first one in A5, I have 5 character strings there. That is 4. The first one is 1 and the last one is A. And if you look at the second one, 4 characters, 4 characters, just like that. So you must bear in mind that they must be equal. If it is not equal, then you cannot accurately do what you want to do. So when you are extracting your string fixed text, you must make sure that they are equal, especially when you are dealing with multiple string fixed text. Now, in this column here, I have something to briefly explain regarding to what we have. This first column here, this first one here represents the rep ID. The rep ID, which is this one, and then the second one represents the rep's initial. The rep's initial means the name. Then the third one represents the region. Then the fourth one represents the sales group. Now, the first one, we are extracting it from here. So the 1 has to be in rep ID, J has to be Janet. We start with J here, and then E has to be with region, and then A has to be with sales group. So let's see how we can do that. We're starting with left function. So as usual, I put equal to left. So as I type left, it's already here. So I use my tab key to complete it. So I need to highlight this cell, comma. So since I'm looking from left now, if you look at this formula here, I have text, and then number character. So I've put in the text, which is A5. Now the number character is 1, because I'm looking for only one string from this very particular cell. So if I put enter, I have 1. So already I've gotten 1 from this. So if I want to get for the remaining one, another method, you can copy your formula down as this is done plus, tick dark plus here now, or tiny dark plus. You just double click there, and then I have it done from 1 to 5. And if you look at this side too, from 1 to 5. That's how to extract string characters using left function. So let's look at mid function. So I go again. So mid. So they're asking me text. Now the text has to be the very first one here also. Then start number. Now this is middle, and then you know that now I'm not looking at the number here from this very particular cell. What I'm looking at now is region. So we already know that 1 stands for the rep ID and J stands for Janet. So I'm not looking for Janet again. So this start number here, you have to count from left. How many accounts from left before you get to what you're looking for? So it's 3. Now, the next thing I need to look at now is the number character, which also has to do with the last thing. How many characters am I looking at in the middle? So I'm looking for only one character. So automatically I return E. If you look at this place, return E for me. So if I click enter, okay, I have E. so which means east. So if I just hold down here and drag it down, I have everything east, west, west, east and west. So the last one you have to look at now is right function. So equal to, or I can just use this method formula, put formula. You can come to text here and then you go to right. Okay, here is right function. So I'm just showing you different method you can use to get your function. So it just has the first one left, second thing to the left function. So I just need to click on this very cell again, and then the number characters that I'm looking for, so it's just 1 out of it. So it's going to return the last letter on the left for me. So when I click OK, I have A. So what I have, the group I have in this very cell is A. So if I drag it down, copy it down, so I have C, B, B, C and C, just like that. So I believe now you know how to make use of your left, mid and right function in Excel. That's all we have for this video. And remember, if you have any question regarding any of these topics you are treating, you can just drop in the comment box, and next time we'll come, we'll treat it or answer a question for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.